Make laundry day a breeze with the Equator's ultimate EW826 washer and ED850S vented dryer set. Save space by conveniently stacking the dryer on the washer with the stacking kit included. This set measures 63 inches high, 23.5 inches wide, and 22 inches deep. The 826 Superwasher offers 16 wash options, including sanitize, allergen, and winterize, with a capacity of 1.62 cubic feet. Easily remove pet hair with the special pet cycle. Need to winterize your washer? Just add antifreeze and select the winterize mode. With up to 4 drying cycles, choose between time dry, cool, warm, air, and more. With a special sensor dry option, this 3.5 cubic feet vented dryer ensures precise heat and prevents over-drying. Use the sleep mode to automatically turn off the appliance after drying. This laundry set runs on standard 110 volts power and features a durable stainless steel drum. For more details, scan the QR code on the control panel. Ready to upgrade your laundry game? Bring home the Equator Superwasher and Dryer set today.